Good morning, everyone. So we can start our revision for the nervous system and others will keep on joining. Those who have joined can start giving the answers, okay? So one by one, the dash is not the part of nervous system. Options are brain, spinal cord, lungs and nerves. Nehal?
Lungs.
Correct. The correct answer is lungs. Jay Yadav? Jay Yadav,
Yes, ma'am.
your turn now.
Yes, ma'am.
The dash connects the brain and the spinal cord. The dash connects the brain and the spinal cord. Options are cerebrum, brainstem, cerebellum, nerves.
Cerebellum.
No. What connects the brain and the spinal cord? That is the brain stem. Okay, revise again. Simran, light enters
Yes,
through cornea, iris, retina and pupil. Which is the correct option?
ma'am. Pupil.
Yes, true. That's pupil. Next question goes to Nidhi. Nidhi, the dash is also called pinna, outer ear, inner ear, middle ear or eardrum.
Ma'am, outer ear.
Correct. That is the outer ear. Then tell me, Nidhi Chaudhary, what are sensory nerves?
Ma'am, sensory nerves carry the message. Ma'am, sensory nerves carry the message from.
Yes, carries message from sense
Ma'am,
organ.
from sense organ to the brain, and then brain tells us what to do.
Yes, that's correct answer. Next question. Go to Nidhi Agarwal.
Yes.
Brain needs a continuous supply of blood and carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, water. What else?
Oxygen.
Oxygen is correct answer. Vansh Agarwal. What is the importance of fluid present in the ear? Vansh Agarwal. What is the importance of fluid present in the ear? Vansh, unmute your screen. Maybe somewhere else. Vishal,
fluid in the inner ear helps maintain balance of the body.
okay, correct. Maintaining the balance of the body. Ritika, your question is,
Ma'am,
brain stem controls the dash and dash. What does the brain stem controls? Brain stem controls the dash and dash. What are the things controlled by the brain stem? Brain stem means your medulla. You're not audible, beta. Tanvi,
आवाज नहीं आ रही है?
Ma'am, involuntary actions and lungs movement.
yes. The answer is involuntary actions and lung movement. Joy, what is the
Yes,
function?
ma'am.
What is the importance of inner ear? What is the importance of inner ear?
Inner ear. Inner ear changes the sound waves into electrical signals and send them to the brain.
Yes, that's true. Next question goes to Vinayak. Vinayak, what is the importance of taste buds on the tongue? What is the importance of taste bud on the tongue? By the name you can make out. It helps to identify the taste. That's it. Taste buds will let you know what is the taste. Dhruv Kumar.
Yes, ma'am.
Dash nerve causes the movement of muscles. Dash nerve.
Motor nerve.
Nerve. Okay.
Motor nerves.
Next question, Nehal. Reflex actions are controlled by the dash. Who controls the reflex action?
Motor nerves.
Reflex action is controlled by which main part?
Main skin.
I'm asking
The
about
spinal cord.
yes, it is spinal cord. Spinal cord controls the reflex action. Neetu Sharma. The cells of the nervous system. What do you call the cells of nervous system?
Ma'am, the exercises in my book has been not done.
So whose fault is it?
Ma'am, can
Vaishnavi, what do you call the cells of nervous system?
Ma'am, neurons.
Yes, correct. It is neurons. Ritika, is it audible your side? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the question is, what do you call the colored part of the eye? Colored ring in the eye. What is the colored ring in the eye called? Revise the lesson. Now the turn goes to Vansh. Vansh, earlier also
Ma'am,
I
it's
asked.
iris. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my connection is. Ma'am, it's iris.
Okay, correct. Then Jay Pratap.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the importance of hairs inside the nose? What is the importance
Yeah.
for hairs inside the nose?
Ma'am, they help us to breathe and to smell.
From your side, there is some network problem. Ariman,
Ma'am, they help us to breathe.
Ma'am, they help us to purify the voice going in the air.
okay. They help in filtering and prevent the germs from entering inside. Next question goes to Abhay Yadav. What is the function of cerebrum? Abhay, what is the function of cerebrum?
What?
What is the function of cerebrum? Learn the lesson.
Cerebrum?
Yes. Nidhi Agrawal.
Ma'am, controls our sense organ.
Yes, it controls all the sense organs. Naitik Dubey. Naitik Dubey. Nowadays, he is also off screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Naitik, stem-like structure in the brain. What is the name for stem-like structure in the brain?
What, ma'am? What, ma'am?
Stem-like structure in the brain. You have to give one word for the stem-like structure in the brain.
Cerebrum.
No, cerebrum is not the stem, beta. Revise the lesson again. Sakshi. Sakshi Singh. Abhishek Sharma. Abhishek Sharma.
Yes, ma'am.
Abhishek, have you prepared the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So now you tell me which part of brain balances our body and coordinate the movement. Which part of the brain balances our body and coordinates the movement?
Ma'am, simple cord.
No, it's not simple cord. Simple cord is not the answer. And actually that is spinal cord. But that is not the correct answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Kriti? Kriti, which part of the brain balances the body and coordinates the movement? Nowadays, you are not taking active part. Prepare your lesson. Jay Pratap.
It is cerebellum.
Correct. It is cerebellum.
It is cerebellum.
Correct answer. Ashish Yadav.
मैम तो बनाना है चल मार पिटाई स्कूल में जाऊंगा तो
Ashish Yadav. Those who are not responding can leave the screen. It's not required. I think once everybody is done, so we will start again. Let me check the names once again. Okay. Next question is, what is the importance of nervous system? Abhay Yadav, what is the importance of nervous system?
Ma'am, it helps to control our body.
That's it? Okay. What else? Joy?
The nervous system controls various functions of our body.
Okay. Fine. Next question is, you have to tell whether the statements are true or false. Motor nerves carry impulses from sense organs to the brain. Abhishek?
Ma'am, true.
True. अभिषेक आजकल पढ़ाई नहीं हो रही है, क्या बात है? मैडम कुछ पढ़ा नहीं रही है?
मैम पढ़ा रही है।
पढ़ा रही है, फिर आंसर्स क्यों आ रहे इतने लेट? आपका आंसर तो सबसे पहले आना चाहिए. Tanvi, your turn. Skin is present all over the body.
True.
True, that's true. Then, shall retina of eye changes with change in the intensity of light.
False.
Okay. Simran, we can keep our skin healthy by using strong chemicals.
False.
Yes. Nehal, smallest part of brain is called cerebellum.
False.
Then which is the smallest part?
Ma'am, ear.
I'm talking about brain. आज कर क्या रही हो नेहल? Still sleepy? Because it's Sunday.
No.
So wake up. Yes, Dhruv.
Ma'am, true.
Yes, that is the smallest part, cerebellum. Vaishnavi, system of bones present in dash helps the sound waves to travel to the brain. System of bones present in dash helps the sound waves to travel to the brain. Which bones? Where the bones are?
Spinal cord.
No. Nidhi Chaudhary.
Yes, ma'am. In inner ear.
Joy.
Ma'am, eardrum.
Yes, actually it is in the eardrum. So that system of bones helps the sound waves to travel the brain. Kriti, which is the largest part of the brain?
Cerebrum.
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 Okay,
Cerebrum.
correct. How are motor nerves and sensory nerves interconnected? How are motor nerves and sensory nerves interconnected? Aryaman,
Motor nerves and sensory nerves are connected due to interneurons.
okay, interneurons, that is correct. Next question. Who will give the answer? Ritika,
Yes, ma'am.
no answer has come from your side. So you will answer me. What is the function of pores in the skin? Or you can say, what is the importance of pores in the skin? What is the importance of pores in the skin? You have not prepared today? Okay, who else will answer? Nidhi Agrawal.
And it removes the
It removes the waste products in the form of sweat.
form of sweat.
Yes.
Form of sweat.
Yes, correct. It removes the waste product in the form of
Yes,
sweat. That is the function of pores. Vinayak,
Yes, ma'am.
How does tongue help us to taste the things? I'm asking you the same
How does
question which I asked you earlier. How does the tongue help us to taste things?
sweet protect in the ear helps in maintaining the balance of the body? Inner ear helps the transfer of electrical signals to
No,
brain. Hair inside the nose.
I'm not asking that. What I'm asking is, how does tongue help us to taste things? How do you taste with the tongue?
Tongue help us to taste.
Yes.
Can I tell question answers?
Yes. The same.
I'm from hot.
I'm asking, how does the tongue help us to taste? Tongue कैसे help करती है हमें taste करने में? What is present on the tongue, Ritika?
Ma'am, there are sensory regulators distributed all over the tongue called taste buds, which help us to taste things.
Okay. There are taste buds on the tongue which help us to taste the things. Next question. How does skin act as a sense organ? How does skin act as a sense organ? Simran?
The skin contain nerve endings which elect ma'am it's detect sorry ma'am which detect the sensation like touch, heat, pain or pressure.
You have not learned it? You have to
Ma'am,
learn also.
ma'am
Achha, okay. Nitya has come very late. What happened? Sleeping? Nitya? Nitya Sharma?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
We can make out you were sleeping.
Yes, ma'am.
So in a hurry burry you have come. Oh my God, class is over now. Okay, so your question is, so you have come, so there is a welcome question for you. What is the difference between cerebrum and cerebellum? What is the difference between cerebrum and cerebellum?
Cerebrum, it is the largest part of the brain and looks like a walnut. It is divided into left and right hemisphere. It receives the signals from the sense organs and tells the body what to do. It controls the working of eyes, ears, nose, tongues, and voice. Cerebellum, it is the bulb-like structure lie below the cerebrum, controls the coordinates the action of muscles. It maintains the body balance and keeps it upright.
It's okay. Fine. Next question. In such a hurry. You are giving all the answers. Still there is 5 minutes class. So don't hurry up. Next question is, okay, now because everybody's turn is done, so I will tell the question. You can raise your hands, those who want to answer. How do we see an object? How do we see an object? Ritika?
Ma'am, when we see something light enters through pupil and forms an upside down pictures on the retina.
Okay, that's fine. Give example of reflex action to explain it. Give example of reflex action to explain it. Joy?
Hot potatoes rot even if before we feel the pain of burning of hand. As you touch the hot potato, sensory nerves sense the danger and sends the message to the motor nerves. The motor nerves answer the muscles to spread the fingers. This quick reaction is called reflex action.
Yes, correct. So in place of potato, if you wish to change any object like any other hot object, you can take example of iron also. You can take it of candle also. So that is up to you. As it was mentioned in your book for potato, so I have taken it as potato. Next question. How many parts are there in the ear? How many parts of ear are there? Vansh Agrawal,
Ma'am, there are 3.
name them.
Ma'am, inner ear, ma'am, outer ear, ma'am, inner ear, outer ear. Ma'am, I forgot.
And middle ear, inner, outer and middle.